Hey guys, the car's running 1.8 liter GSR with iron sleeves, forged pistons and rods. Has a journal bearing 55 millimeter turbo on it, Garrett. Old school manifold, dual wastegates, 38 millimeter tile wastegates. It's got ID 1000cc injectors, Walbro 450 LPH pump, Quaife diff, and Hondata S300 engine management. So today we launched it at 6,800 RPM, and we were able to pull 1159 out of it. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's a good first track day in this car, and hopefully with a little bit more tweaks and more seat time, we can get it down to low 11s.